Today, I'm going to show you how to add vacation to Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to block off time when you're out of office, keep your schedule organized, and make sure people know you're unavailable during your trip. Whether you're planning a short getaway or a long holiday, this method is quick and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Google Calendar tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account you want to use. Once your calendar loads, look for the Create button, which is usually on the left side of the screen. Click Create and then select Event from the menu that appears. This will open the Event Setup window, where you can enter all the details for your vacation. Now, the most important part is setting the dates. Click the Start Date field and choose the day your vacation begins. Then select the end date for when your vacation finishes. If your vacation spans several days, make sure the full date range is selected so your calendar blocks off the entire period correctly. If your vacation has a specific start and end time, you can also choose the time fields and enter those details. This is helpful if you want the event to represent only part of a day instead of your entire schedule. If you're blocking off the whole day, you may not need to enter a time at all. In many cases, an all-day event works best for vacation because it clearly shows that you're unavailable across the full date range. You can also add a title like Vacation, Out of Office, or Holiday, so it's easy to identify at a glance. If you want, you can add a location, notes, or reminder details, but that part is optional. Once everything looks correct, take one last look at the start and end dates so you don't accidentally save the wrong time period. After that, click Save. Google Calendar will now add your vacation to your schedule, and you'll be able to see it on your calendar right away. That's it. You've successfully added vacation to Google Calendar. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and protect your time when you're away. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.